Hello, welcome back to once again my channel Stress Free Education, providing physics problems, science problems, and math problems, also spoken English. Those who are viewing my channel, please see up to the end. If the content is good, you subscribe, and the thumbnail is here. This is my thumbnail figure, which is available in YouTube. Let's start fourth problem on lens maker formula. These three problems already I solved on the board and I have shown you, I have given you picture, everything. Hope you are following my instructions how to solve it. The solution to be done within 1 minute because it will come as objective type. 1 मिनट में उसका आंसर निकालना है, तभी आपको मार्क्स मिलेगा. नीट एग्जाम में कंपटीशन है, सभी बच्चे मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स रहेगा, बायोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स, नॉन मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स रहेगा. नॉन मैथमेटिक्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत मुश्किल है, इसलिए मैं मेरा चैनल में उसी स्टूडेंट्स को मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रेस ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ. और जेई के लिए भी ये प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. लेट्स स्टार्ट डायरेक्टली द लेंस मेकर इक्वेशन. This already I told you. The first ray falls and form image at I1, and that is first surface. Second surface image will form at I. So U and V, U is object distance, V is image distance, R1, R2, R1 right side, R2 is left side, and this is the equation. In this equation, if you submit the data and sign conventions, you will get this. So finally, the equation will become 1 by f n minus 1. Here mu is n1. N is the refractive index of the glass or medium. R1, R2, you know, radius of the first surface, radius of the second surface, focal length. So this first one is already over. ये तो कर दिया था. Problem number 1 है, problem number 2 है, problem number 3. This all I have solved on the board. Let's go to this problem. This problem says a lens has radii of curvature of 10 centimeters. One is given as positive, other is given as negative. If it is not given, first one you take it as R1, second one you take it as R2. So R2 will be always, it will be left side, you will get minus. Sometimes it is given as minus, well and good, otherwise you have to consider sign convention. The lens is made up of glass with a refractive index of 1.5. Actually, normally glass is 1.5. What is the focal length of the lens when it is immersed in water? देखिए मजा आ गया यहाँ. देखिए ये एयर में नहीं है, अभी एयर का 1 हो जाएगा. अभी एयर नहीं है, एयर में नहीं है तो क्या करना, ये लेंस जो वाटर में रखे तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स कम हो जाएगा. देख लीजिए 1.5 था पहले प्रॉब्लम में, अभी वाटर में है तो 1.33 से डिवाइड करना है, वो भी सिखा दूंगा मैं. Remember to adjust the refractive index for new medium. So now you have to, I think ये problem आराम से समझ में आ गया होगा आपको. Radius of curvatures are given, focal refractive index is given, and then two refractive indices are given, asking you to solve the problem. So problem is already solved over here, but I would like to put on the board so that better understanding, it will be helpful to you to solve quickly in your competition examination. Let's start the problem. This on hydroboard. Hydroboard, let us start. This I'm just minimizing. Going to hydroboard. Hydroboard is here and already started. This is hydroboard is coming over here. Hydroboard is, I have just kept here down, and the problem is already pasted, and the problem, as I told you, it is having two radius of curvature. Once again I will draw the figure and to show you. Always please remember, all of you, you should draw first rough diagram. How to draw rough diagram I told you, आपको बता दिया पहले भी. एक लाइन ऐसा खींचे, इसको प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस समझ लीजिए. बाद में एक और मिडिल में एक लाइन परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ कर दीजिए, इसको लेंस समझ लीजिए, राइट। ये लेंस है, राइट। इस लेंस में क्या क्या चीज है हम लोगों का, एक तो लेंस दो सरफेस होगा, एक ये है फर्स्ट सरफेस, राइट, देन इट विल बी सेकंड सरफेस, राइट। फर्स्ट सरफेस का रेडियस इधर होगा, ये है R1, ये हो गया R2, और इसमें फोकल लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना। अभी ये लेंस को पानी में डाल दिया तो क्या होगा, देखिए, लेट अस टेक ए वन स्मॉल बीकर लाइक दिस, फाइन। इसमें वाटर है, वाटर में ये लेंस को रख दिया, तो वाटर में ये है एक्चुअली एयर, दिस इज एयर, दिस इज एयर, फाइन, दिस इज ग्लास, right. Now this glass is kept in the water. What happens? This type of questions are going to come even in JEE exam, in all these things. Refractive index will be increases or decreases. Very simple. Here air is equal, refractive index is 1. Here it is glass is 1.5. So refractive index will become 1.5. And because refractive index's definition is N2 by N1, correct? So it will be 1.5 by 1. So that will become 1.5. Hope you understood. Now in case of water, क्या हो गया? Water में क्या होगा? Water का refractive index हो गया. Here a light is going from water to glass. So therefore, N2 will become refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. So 1.5 divided by 1.33, which is given over here. You can see here, circulate. This is the one. And then refractive index is this. Then it is calculated. This value will be approximately 1.3. It is coming as 1.3, 1.27, 1.12. 1.12 means 1.13. It will become 1.13, 1.13 approximately. So let's go to the problem solving. Problem solving is how you have the formula. Formula is what it is. Come on, recollect. 1 by F is equal to N minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Hope you understood this. So 1 by F is what? Focal length. Focal length is given or not? It is not given. You need to find out. So N का मतलब हो गया ये, water to glass. Water to glass, how much it is given? It is given 1.13. So let's straight away submit. 1 by F is equal to N glass by N water minus 1 into 1 by R1, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, right? These are the things to be noted. Then after that is very simple. Everybody can do it. 1 by F is needed to calculate this one. Ng by N water 1.13. Am I right? 1.13, because it will come as 1.1. It will be coming 1.1238. So roughly it will become 1.3. So then minus 1, right? समझ में आ रहा ना? आस्ते आस्ते सीखना है. Bracket 1 by R1. R1 is how much? It is given. First focal length is, already I told you, that is first focal length is given as 10 centimeter minus 10 centimeter. Very simple. So it will become 1 by 10, 1 by 10 minus 1 by minus 10. So plus 10 हो जाएगा, 10 हो गया, 2 by 1, 5 हो जाएगा. 5 into calculator. 5 into 1.1. That's all. Very simple. आसान से 1 मिनट में कैलकुलेट करना है ये पूरा. So 0.13 into सो एलसीएम क्या हो गया 10, ये हो गया 1 + 1, it will become 2, so therefore you will get here as 0.13 into 2/10. ये रेसिप्रोकल कर देना, रेसिप्रोकल करे तो आपको 10/2 आ जाएगा. Then the answer will become, remaining answer is very simple. F is equal to what will happen? So 0.26 by 10. So 1 by F is equal to, sorry, 1 by F is equal to what will happen? Just tell me. 0.26 divided by 10. So ये हो गया आपको answer. Then that will become, so you can take it out. F is equal to what will happen? So 10 divided by 0.26. 2 पॉइंट निकाल दिए तो इधर 1000 हो जाएगा, divided by 26. So that answer approximately equal to 39. How much it will be coming? 39.12. 39.12. So just divide them. I hope you understood this. Right, children? ये समझ में आ गए तो, कंटेंट अच्छा लगे तो मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. ये नया चैनल है, थोड़ा आप सब्सक्राइब करने से और आगे आपको अच्छा अच्छा प्रॉब्लम्स सिखा देंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.